Welcome back, guys. This is Henry1502 Inc. I'm back. It's been like 2 months now. Let me see. It's been somewhere like a month and a half. May 21st, I am back. Tuesday, 3:34 p.m. I technically will not be back until officially. I will not be back until at least January 1st or through January 10th. I'm taking care of school and things like that. So here's my YouTube channel. Last time we left off, I was at about 10,000. Now I'm at about 14,000. This is somewhat low because I really haven't touched it. I should be getting a partnership from Social Blade, so yeah, things are really looking up for us. But anyway, make sure you check out my group. We're up to about 588 members, which is pretty big in Codecademy terms. And let me just exit out of that. We are working with jQuery, so all you have to do is go to learn jQuery. We're doing the first one, introduction to DOM, HTML and jQuery, manipulating HTML by Eric Winston. And this, in a nutshell, is what jQuery is about. Now, jQuery is a JavaScript plugin. Now, you can download it. You can download the file, but many people just choose to copy the link from the actual jQuery site or Google's library. Either way, you'll be set. So for Codecademy, they already have it in, so you don't really have to worry about that. Yeah, you really don't have to worry about that. So this is what we will be working with: a file called index.html, sprite style sheet, and script.javascript. So view the preview. We see that every time our mouse hovers, we get a small animation. So back to whatever we were working on. Now, if you do choose to work with jQuery, just know that the newer version, let's say Google's jQuery 2.0, does not incorporate mouse enter anymore. So this will be going away soon. It may be a year or two. So, like I said before, this is what happens. Moving on to the next lesson. Now, for the next lesson, what Codecademy is asking us to do is they want us think about working with HTML and CSS. In HTML, you write something. So in this case, we're using a div, and all you have to do is write in what element you're using, which is the div, and what the properties you want to set it as. It's basically the same thing, except in jQuery, all you pretty much have to do is add a quotation mark around it. And so this is a document. Ready means we're just going to be working with it. So element name that you want to work with, action, and you can specify the time. So I think this is like 1 second, something around there, I don't know. So save and submit. We get the green check mark. Now it just fades away in 1,000 milliseconds, so maybe like 5 seconds or 3 seconds. I'm pretty bad at those. Moving on to the next lesson. Have I finished all of these before? Yeah, I really have finished all of these. Okay, so what we're working with here, Codecademy wants us to basically put in green, except I've done this wrong. First of all, okay, make sure you put a quotation mark, and make sure you put it should resemble this. It should resemble your CSS. If you are ever doubting whether or not you are doing it right, just look at your style sheet or whatever CSS thing that you're working with. Save and submit, and we get the green check mark. So number four is basically asking us to find the errors inside the program. Now, if you look at video preview, nothing really happens because there are errors. So one way to get rid of these errors are to do this. Not ready. We're working with the element, a div element called not ready. So we put that in here, and we want to fade out. And make sure you capitalize the O. And we want it to fade out by 1,000 milliseconds. So it's going to appear on the screen, and then it's going to just disappear slowly in over 1,000 milliseconds. So there it is. We got the green check mark. We are all golden. That is it for the first track of jQuery. Add, like, subscribe, comment down below. Please click on every ad in or around my videos. This is Henry1502 Inc. I'm out.